In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to File Explorer on a Windows computer using Google Drive for Desktop. By the end, you'll be able to open your Drive files right from the left sidebar in File Explorer, just like any other folder on your PC. This is perfect if you want quick access to your documents without juggling web tabs, and it keeps everything synced between your computer and the cloud. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com/drive/add-download. On that page, look for Drive for Desktop and click Download. If you're on a work or school computer, you might need permission from your administrator. Otherwise, go ahead and save the installer, then run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's fine to accept the default options, and if Windows asks whether to allow changes, choose Yes so the setup can finish. When the installer is done, Google Drive for Desktop usually launches automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from the Start menu by searching for Google Drive. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. A browser window may appear to confirm your login and permissions. Just choose the correct account and continue. Once you're signed in, look near your system clock at the bottom right of your screen for the Google Drive icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the Drive icon, then click the gear icon for settings and select Preferences. In the Google Drive section, you'll see two options: Stream Files or Mirror Files. Stream Files is great if you want to save space on your computer because files live in the cloud and download when you open them. Mirror Files keeps copies of your Drive files on your PC so they're available offline, which is useful if you work without internet frequently. You can switch between these modes later, so pick the one that fits your needs right now and apply your choice. Now open File Explorer. In the left sidebar, you should see Google Drive listed as its own location. Click it and your Drive folders and files will appear. From here, you can open, rename, move, or delete items just like you would with local files. Any changes you make sync with your Google Drive, keeping everything consistent across your devices. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.